I just posted my analysis of NBIS Group, ticker symbol NBIS. It's a data center out of the Netherlands. And I posted it on my website, on my tell sheet. And it's a 29-page report that goes through every element of NBIS, its history, its future, its projections, its solvency, its profitability, and then ends up by giving me some projections on the price. This is total AI. Now, I know some of you don't believe that that makes sense, that you use AI to predict what a stock price is. I want to introduce you to Kerry. Kerry is the former Security and Exchange Commissioner. That means he ran the stock exchanges and he oversaw them. I want you to hear what he says about AI and how it will affect the stock market, how it will be used in the stock market in the future before I share with you what NBIS is going to do over the next 3 years. Here is Kerry, who was on Squawk Box this morning.
One of the things that seems to be happening in the marketplace is there's a lot of trading taking place as a function of AI, meaning literally AI programs are operating on the exchange. Do you look and think to yourself that a year or 2 years from now, I don't know what, that people, that literally human beings are not going to be making real decisions and that AI is going to be able to be a better investor than us?
I think artificial intelligence is the most transformative technology of our times, and it's changing so much of finance, investment management, underwriting, and trading, as you say. And I think over the next 5, 12 years, it will change and transform, as you say, a lot. Humans will still have a role, but as we put more of this in the algorithm, it will shift. One thing about trading, though, is there's also about latency. And the proprietary trading shops need to be very quick. And generally, the AI is not that quick. It's quick, but not that quick. But 3 to 6 years from now, I think you're right. And I think even this program is being analyzed by artificial intelligence. And I'm no longer a federal regulator, but you can bet that AI is analyzing every word of Jay Powell for his sentiment, every word of the President of the United States, and all the CEOs that you have on this TV. It's the algorithms through sentiment analysis. That's not a bad thing. It's pattern recognition. We're going to benefit as a society, but there's also big risks in the markets as we become more computer algorithm and less human.
So in essence, what Kerry is saying is that if you aren't using AI over the next 3 years, you're going to be behind the 8 ball. The problem is going to be keeping up with it, and that you can, as he uses the word latency, that you can act as fast as them. You will never act as fast as them, but if you will use AI and use it on a longer perspective and take the current and day-to-day fluctuations out of the market and judge a stock based upon its financials, its technicals, its history, and the markets it's in, and produce a 29-page report that you can go through, understand the basis for the predictions in the future, and then make a decision as to whether or not you want to buy that stock. Let's just review what this report tells me. It tells me NBIS's current price is $20.93. It's 58% off of its 52-week high. Its projected revenue growth, average per year over the next 3 years, is 210% per year. Its growth in earnings is going to be from a negative 200 million today to a positive 300 million by the end of 2027. And it's projecting its price of $20.93 will turn into $55 by the end of this year, $80 by the end of 2026, and $110 by the end of 2027 to give you a 425.5% rate of return. Now, what I would hope you would do is sign up for my gold platform and go and get access to this and 50 other stock analysis. But I don't want you to have to do that. So in the description, I have provided you with a link, and it'll be there with 3 bags of money in front of it, so that you can go and access this report in a Word document. Click on it. It will come up on your screen. You can read it. You can print it out. You can do with it as you want. Now, beyond that, like on my website, I want you to have a verbal interpretation of this 29-page document. And that's going to be Samantha and Bart, my AI agents, are going to give you a podcast to explain exactly what's in this document, so you don't have to read it if you don't want to. And there'll be a link for that as well. Then below that link is going to be the briefing that I create, and that is to condense everything that I've got here into 3 pages. So you have 3 ways to access this AI. And again, I want to go back to Gary Gensler. Don't trust me. This is the guy who ran the stock markets, and he is saying, this is how trading is going to be done in the next 3 to 5 years. I'm telling you, I have spent the money on the compute, on the data, on the AI agent, so that it's not, you don't have to wait 3 to 5 years, and you don't have to spend the money for the compute, the data, and the analysis, and take the time to do it, to find the stocks out of the 6,500 that are going to be 4 baggers for you. If you'll then look this over on your time, and you want to get involved in it deeper, then the next step is to come to my website and sign up for the Gold platform. I'll then give you 14 days to go beyond NBIS and see the others. I just did Applied Digital last night, which is another story that you need to understand, because it was down 30% yesterday after its earnings report, and you need to understand why. And what's going to happen next. You need to understand these things, and the way you can get access to all the data that will explain it to you so you can keep up with the world is through AI and through Best of Us Investors. I'm paying for the AI. I'm paying for the data. I'm doing the asking AI, Samantha and Bart, to do the analysis. I'm putting it on the website. All you've got to do is look at it, see if it works for you, if it makes sense. If you want to be a part of it, then come join us. We'll get into this more tomorrow.